Alright, we're about to see what this old Thunderbird will do. I've vacuumed out the debris and stuff in the carburetor and put a hot battery on it. Put some power steering fluid in it. I'm a little bit more optimistic about this one. The motor's freed up, it's not locked up. We'll see. It's gonna live. God only knows what the gas is like in the tank. I didn't even have to check and see if it had fire. I just thought a better way to check than to try to fire it up. Check out those floats. Film that carburetor. Look, the floats are stuck in it. Come here. I'll take it. Here, I'll take it. I had to turn it off. I hated firing it up and running it that hard, but sometimes that's the only way you can get it to start.
Is that water?
No, that's gasoline. The floats are stuck in the carb.
Oh, okay.
So I'll tap them around and see if they unstick. But hey, you know, it's running off that gas and it doesn't smell bad. Some of that old gas didn't go bad as fast as the newer stuff does. Or maybe it hadn't sat as long as they said. I cleaned it up. At least this way, when I'm working on it, I'm not getting all dusty and dirty. I think it'll make a car much easier than that other one. Thanks for watching.